Hello students and welcome back to our Spot That English Error series. In this second video, we'll be focusing on tackling titles. My name is Ben with English from A to Z, and here we go. So tell me, looking at this picture, what is wrong with this picture? We have a bag here, like a backpack or maybe it's a shoulder bag, and it says brave, keep moving in bold letters as a title. And then it says in a sentence, the innovative design and minimalist appearance opens a new chapter. So there are a few errors here in English that we want to fix, right? Once again, we have a title in bold, capitalized letters, brave, keep moving, and then the innovative design in minimalist appearance opens a new chapter. So there are a few errors here and I want to go through them with you right now. But before I do, pause the video if you want and figure out, okay, how can I fix these sentences on my own? How can I do this on my own without needing my help? But soon I'll go through with you how best we can fix these sentences. But take a look at this picture and then think to yourself, maybe write down some notes as to how this picture or these sentences could be improved, right? So take your time. Okay, so here's how we fix the picture. The title should be changed to, and there are a few options here. It could be changed to, if you're brave, keep moving. And you want to make sure that the title remains capitalized or in bold. You could also use an exclamation point. If you're brave, keep moving, right? So you want to emphasize keep moving. You could also change the title to, and keep it short, be brave, keep moving, to keep it the same length. The second change that should be made to the sentence that was in the picture is to add the word up after opens and before the word a. So the main sentence should then read, the innovative design and minimalist appearance opens up, to open up, like open up a box or open up a package. Opens up a new chapter. So lastly, in contrast to the picture, the word appearance does not need to be capitalized. And if we go back, we can see there is some awkward capitalization. Appearance, opens. These two words, they don't need to be capitalized. So we want to minimize appearance and minimize opens. We don't want them to be capitalized, the A or the O. So that's the third fix that we want to make to this picture. So once again, we have, if you're brave, keep moving. Instead of brave, keep moving. If you're brave, keep moving. And then we could say, be brave, keep moving. And we could capitalize these words because it's a title. And then we want to add the word up after opens and before a. The innovative design and minimalist appearance opens up a new chapter. And then capitalization, we don't need appearance or opens to be capitalized, especially appearance. So those are our three sentence errors that we just fixed for a title and then a main sentence. So good job, everybody. So thank you for watching. For more information about our digital products and services to help English students like you, please go to www.englishfromatozee.com. And if you like this video, remember to hit the subscribe button if you like this or any of our other channel videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.